The weather at more than 8,000 feet in altitude in the Sacramento Mountains can get pretty cold during the winter and snowpacked too. But at the United States Air Force Observatory outside of Cloudcroft, New Mexico, observers worked in a warm, well-lit room 2 stories below the open dome with the telescope. The February 1980 Sky and Telescope magazine reported, as an early tracker which could photograph another country's satellites, by the 1980s, most of the ongoing work at the telescope was in photoelectric photometry. In other words, astronomers were measuring the light reflected from planets, stars, and other heavenly bodies.
Starry, starry night, swirling clouds in violet haze, colors changing hue.
A co-authored paper from PhDs at Boeing and Kissel Consultants in Omaha, Nebraska, stated considerations for building the observatory were seeing conditions, accessibility, and local support. And actually, the Cloudcroft site was second in line to one in Yuma, Arizona. But Cloudcroft was chosen because work had already been done there for an Air Force solar furnace for nuclear effects testing before the project was abandoned. Roads had been dug out through the pine trees in the Lincoln National Forest off of State Route 244, and infrastructure had been installed for electric power. In the late 1980s, work came to an end there. The telescope and control system went to the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, and sent to their tabletop observatory. The Cloudcroft facility sat unused until 1994 when NASA began cleaning up the building and installed a liquid mirror telescope that measured and cataloged low-orbit space debris. That observatory began operating in 1996, and the website nasa.gov said that the project ended at the end of 2001. Once again, the building was abandoned. But